Lumos. I'm Tom Riddle.
I'm Fleur Delacour.
And we are Pinter Whitnick.
And for tonight's show, Moonlight Masquerade, we are making a skeleton key.
So we're going to start with 1 1/4 ounce of bourbon. We're using Ezra Brooks here.
Next, we're going to add 3/4 ounce of St. Germain's elderflower liqueur.
We need 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And it looks like it will take a little bit more than 1/2 of a lemon to get 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And then use a fine mesh strainer to get all the bits of lemon out.
And then next you're going to add 8 dashes of bitters.
We're using Angostura bitters here, and typically you would only ever add 2 or 3 dashes of bitters into a cocktail like a Manhattan or an old fashioned. But we really want the anise and licorice in this drink, so there's quite a lot of bitters in this, and it makes it very fall tasting.
Next up, we'll be adding some ice to the shaker and the glass as well. So we'll add a couple into our shaker. We've got some special cubes we're going to add to our glass.
And then we're going to shake this up. We were making a joke earlier about how they made the kids in Harry Potter wear these robes to potions class when you can't really do anything with the sleeves. And then we were going to use a Hawthorne strainer here to strain this into the glass.
And to top it off, we'll be using some ginger beer. So we have 3.75 ounces of that. So we'll go ahead and pour that in.
And we're using Q Drinks ginger beer. It's an extra spicy one.
There we are.
Alright.
And lastly, we'll garnish with an apple peel.
And then there's 2 different ways you can drink this. With a straw, it'll be a more mellow, less licorice-y kind of flavor. But if you just sip it off the top, you get lots of the aromatics from the ginger beer and from the bitters, so it's a great way to drink it without a straw. Hope you enjoy Moonlight Masquerade.
Happy Halloween. Cheers.
Cheers. Nuts.